echando porras.
¡Alabao! ¡Alabim bomba! ¡David! ¡Ra, ra, ra! ¡Hey!
El graduado de NEC.
Minutes and 53 seconds.
Yeah,
Wait,
so long.
50.
That's how long in segments I'm allowed to record.
Oh.
Put this in your video, just be like me explaining to my friend how to do stuff.
Wait,
Yeah.
I can't see you.
Just subtitle everything, dude. Not going in the video either.
Congrats.
Hi, how are you? Who did we lose?
Everyone. Here.
We lost 3 people, right?
Isaac.
Yeah.
Robert.
And Richie.
And Richard. Phone
Okay.
number 1.
Phone number 1.
Phone number 2 is an iPhone. If anybody wants to buy this, it's free. Yeah.
So we have 2 people's phones so
You
far.
see, I
Where's the third
texted.
one?
Wait, hold on. Look, I texted him. Wait, you can't see that. We're in
Wait,
line
hold
for
on.
Supreme.
Hold on, it's focusing. Okay. It can't even focus on the phone.
For free?
I did. No, I'll give you $5.
Are you okay with this? What did I get? I didn't get my...
You get a wonderful.
Why my face?
You're recording?
Look at Robert. Just look at him. He's a professional F1 in training. Well, he's training with professionals.
What?
Do something for the video. Provide for clickbait.
Provide entertainment.
Provide us a thumbnail.
Hey,
Name this video, kid chokes on a popsicle.
Did anybody else hear that long bleep? in the middle of Pierre's sentence, anybody else hear that long bleep? Hey, what's up, guys? Brandon Sanchez here. It's hacking your vlog here. We're here at Knott's.
You have to say it. You have to say it. Say it.
Alright guys, there will be the end of the vlog. I'm sorry it was a really short one. And also I'm very sorry this is a very short vlog, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this vlog, go ahead and smash that like button. But yeah guys, I'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, even though it's a really short vlog. But yeah, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.
Didn't even get to bronze.